Unlocking the power of data analysis. Inferential statistics in research. Welcome to this video on the importance of correlation in medical and social sciences. As researchers, we often seek to understand the relationships between different variables. For instance, we might wonder if there is a correlation between smoking and lung cancer, or between poverty and mental health issues. These are important questions, and correlation analysis can help us find the answers. Correlation analysis is a statistical method that measures the strength and direction of the relationship between two variables. It helps us to identify whether two variables are related and how strongly they are related. Correlation analysis is important in medical and social sciences because it helps us to identify patterns and associations in data that would otherwise be difficult to see. Different types of data require different types of correlation analysis. When dealing with continuous data, we use Pearson correlation analysis. Pearson correlation analysis is a widely used statistical method to measure the relationship between two continuous variables. This method determines the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two variables. The correlation coefficient ranges from -1 to +1, where a value of -1 indicates a perfect negative correlation, +1 indicates a perfect positive correlation, and 0 indicates no correlation. In medical and social sciences, Pearson correlation analysis is frequently used to examine the relationship between two continuous variables. For instance, it can be used to investigate the correlation between body weight and blood pressure, height and cholesterol levels, or age and cognitive decline. By applying Pearson correlation analysis, we can assess whether the variables are positively or negatively associated, and to what extent the variables are related. However, it is important to note that Pearson correlation analysis assumes that the data is normally distributed and that there is a linear relationship between the variables. If these assumptions are not met, the results of the analysis may not be reliable. In such cases, alternative correlation methods, such as Spearman's correlation or Kendall's tau, may be more appropriate. When working with nonlinear data, Spearman correlation analysis is a useful alternative to Pearson correlation analysis. This method assesses the strength and direction of the monotonic relationship between two variables. Where monotonic means that the relationship between the variables consistently increases or decreases but not necessarily in a linear fashion. Unlike Pearson correlation analysis, Spearman correlation analysis is non-parametric and does not rely on the assumption of normal distribution of the data. This makes it a more robust method when dealing with skewed or non-normally distributed data. In medical and social sciences, Spearman correlation analysis is often used to explore the relationship between ordinal or ranked data. For example, it can be used to investigate the correlation between poverty levels and mental health outcomes, the relationship between stress levels and quality of life, or the correlation between academic performance and study time. Spearman correlation analysis assigns a rank to each value in the data and calculates the correlation coefficient based on the ranks. The correlation coefficient ranges from -1 to +1, where a value of -1 indicates a perfect negative monotonic relationship, +1 indicates a perfect positive monotonic relationship, and 0 indicates no monotonic relationship. In conclusion, correlation analysis is an important and powerful tool in medical and social sciences research. By exploring the relationships between different variables, we can gain a deeper understanding of complex phenomena and identify patterns and associations in data that would be difficult to observe through other means. Using correlation analysis, researchers can investigate the relationship between different factors that affect human health and well-being, such as age, weight, blood pressure, and disease outcomes. In social sciences, correlation analysis is used to explore the relationship between different social variables and identify potential causal relationships that can inform policy decisions. Thank you for attending this video on the importance of correlation analysis in medical and social sciences. We hope you have found it informative and useful for your future research endeavors. Thanks for watching.